Janvi will be telling, I'll be telling a number. She will be telling the multiplication table of it. So the number is 32 and time starts now.
64, 96, 128, 160, 192, 224, 256, 288, 320, 320.
Right. So you can see everyone 19 seconds. So she has taken 19 seconds for multiplication table of a 2-digit number, which is 32. Now we'll do one more, 43. Start. So the number is 43.
43, 86, 129, 172, 215, 258, 301, 344, 387, 430, 430.
Right. 430. So it's 23 seconds, 22.99. For 23 seconds, she has taken to tell a multiplication table. This is also called as skills, which we practice in our course. So now, all of you have seen how quickly is Janvi doing, and okay, now I'll ask Janvi a question. So how does she practice and how does she do it this quickly?